Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to move to Bulgaria for work, study or family reunification, then you need a Visa D. So today I'm going to walk you through what exactly is the famous Visa D, how you're going to get it, how to apply, who needs it, and how to process your application without losing your mind. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what is the Visa D and do you need it? The Visa D is a long stay visa that allows citizens of other countries to remain in Bulgaria for longer than the 90-day tourist period. This visa is a gateway visa that allows you to apply for long-term residency and live in Bulgaria in the future. So who needs a Visa D? If you are from a non-EU country, which unfortunately the UK falls into now, you must apply for a Visa D. And if you plan to stay in Bulgaria for longer than 90 days within 180 days, you need to fall into one of these categories. You can pause the video to look at this. Basically, if your stay is long-term, then you need a Visa D. So where can you apply for a Visa D and who do you need to help you? You must apply in person at a Bulgarian embassy or consulate. And this has to be done outside of Bulgaria, and it's usually the home country where you're from. So for us, we applied in London. Now let's talk documents. What the heck do you need to apply for a Visa D? Well, it varies depending on the category of Visa D that you're going for. But most of the things that you're going to need cross over between those categories. So here's a nice, neat and tidy list of many of the documents that you will need to apply for a Visa D. It's important to note that any documents that are from outside of Bulgaria will need to be translated and legalized. So check your requirements and your documents early to avoid paying out lots of money in one go. You also may be surprised by the waiting times for different documents to be legalized and processed, so start your application as soon as you can. What exactly is the application process for the Visa D? Here's the step-by-step process that you can expect. Step 1. Gather all your documents. Double check everything that you need on the embassy website and also on this website, which is our immigration lawyer's website and provides all the information for Visa D. Each embassy may also have different requirements, so make sure you inquire with your embassy. Step 2 is to book your appointment. You can do this by email if you're going to the London consulate like we did. The London consulate does not accept walk-ins, so make sure that you book your appointment and you arrive on time. Step 3, you go into the consulate and you apply with your application and your documents in person. You'll also have your fingerprints taken and you'll pay the fee for your application. Step 4 is to wait for the visa to be processed. This can take up to 35 working days. The person that you speak to in the consulate will advise you on how long it could take for your visa to be ready. It's very important that you keep in touch with the consulate and keep emailing them to ask them, is it ready yet? It might be ready earlier than you think. And step 5 is you pick up your visa when it's ready. The consulate will email you to let you know that it's done and you can arrive when they say to go and collect it, and they'll put it in your passport. Great news, you've got your Visa D. It doesn't end there. Now, once you arrive in Bulgaria, you must apply for your residency as soon as possible and before your Visa D expires. Take a translator and go to your local migration office, ours was in Veliko Tarnovo, and apply for your residency permit. Here's some common mistakes to avoid. Avoid starting your application inside Bulgaria. It won't work, it's not allowed. Calculate how long each of your documents lasts and how long they will take to be processed. The ACRO check is only valid for 6 months from the date of issue, so that's not long to apply for that residency and get the visa. Double check how much finance you're going to have to prove in your bank account. This is normally in a Bulgarian bank account, so it's very important that you have a good translator who can go with you to get your statement printed. The last time we checked, it was around £5,500, but I think it's gone up again. So check to see how much you're going to have to prove is in your bank account. Use a trusted translator to translate all your documents. The last thing you want when applying for a Visa D is to be met with complaints about your translations, that they're incorrect. Your application will be denied. Applying for a Visa D for us was nothing short of a nightmare. It was done fraudulently by an agent. It was done expensively. It was done haphazardly. We had to reapply for acros because he didn't tell us the dates. It was all very disorganized and very stressful. My biggest advice is to go through an immigration lawyer who is deeply knowledgeable on this subject and will not land you up creek without a paddle. If you're applying based on business, on a trade representative office, please make sure that all of your company is set up properly first with Companies House and that everything is in order. Get a good translator, get a good lawyer, and make sure you check all your documents thoroughly before you apply. And that's it. That's everything that you need to know from me about the Visa D before you apply. If you have any other questions or comments, then please put them below this video. We get thousands of questions and comments every week about Visa D. So this is everything that I know about the visa to get you started. The guidelines and the information are always changing. So if you know something that wasn't in this video and you want to share some information, please comment below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Why not subscribe to our channel for more renovation and Bulgarian lifestyle content? And good luck with your Bulgarian journey. Ciao.